First day of QIA, here we come. It is barely daylight and we are headed into town for my first winter book signing event. Woohoo!
Today is a good day to live.
Right, we're all set up. Are we ready to go, Frugal? We're ready. All right. So I'm not sure when you guys will see this, but I want to show you around. This place is amazing. So many vendors getting ready for the day, and there's a ton more vendors outside. Saturday of every month at the QIA in Quartzsite, you guys. First Saturday of every month, 9 to 1. Did you find anything you want?
I did.
What'd you find?
Found a knife.
Ooh. All right, everybody. So this is Dolores, and she bought my book for her husband, Tony. Hey everybody, this is Loretta Terpstra. If you see her in the comments, be sure and tell her hi.
Hi everybody.
I'm so glad you came
She's
by.
the best.
You're so awesome.
Thank
you so much. Look at that. Look. There's the band. There's Doug's Journey. And Rex, Lone Star Rider. Did not know y'all were in the house. That is so awesome. Look who else is in the house. The Camper Tails. Oh,
and Dottie's here. Hi, Dottie. Hi, Dee.
So, I'm going to see if I can remember. I got Virginia because that was, no, Cleo. No, Virginia. Cleo. Virginia. See if I signed your name right on your book. Marlene. And what state are y'all from? Oregon. Awesome. Idaho. Oregon also. So Rex, what is your first Silly Owl's pizza?
Double pepperoni, mini.
Nice. Okay.
Mini. Catch that first bite.
Ooh. Pretty doesn't suck, does it?
Well, when y'all said this place, I was thinking y'all were saying Cecilia. Then I was thinking of that song. Then he texted me, and I'm going, oh, it's silly, not Cecilia.
Well, we had a great time with our friends, and now Frugal is bringing me back to Phoenix, and she's all alone.